Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong has asserted that the MDA has moved forward with courage and determination to work for the interest of the people, despite receiving bouquets and brickbats in the last 4 years due to various pressing issues such as COVID-19 pandemic, Citizenship Amendment Act, Inner Line Permit and relocation of Harijans. The Deputy Chief Minister was in West Khasi Hills for the inauguration of the Office of the Executive Engineer, Maushin Road PWD Roads Division, Shalang PWD Road Subdivision and the construction and upgrade of a 12-kilometer road from Tha Yem to Mao Sirtap.
Ni na kalian ke sarkar ni don hang ni na kebenta ban syakri di pait ba aboro anrel prokeli ke sersi ada snow kena cibone ban ngayo iru ya gatmat po samke jompi di pait ba tengah kermen skem bahkan ni kalau ke jings dan jong ke jingkela na kebenta kalawei ba pernai jong kan ika kersensi parokawai.